You like it, huh? يلا سواح من بريطانيا يجربون الماي الغسيل من عند عين مسابعة. الناس طبعا رحبت فيهم وتحييهم. Go, come wash your face.
It's really cold. It is actually.
إلى سوق الإبل. هذا من الأشياء التشويقية صراحة. يقولون الحين احنا وصلنا إلى السعودية. Try to touch it. Can you touch it? Wow, it's very big.
He's got a lot of slobber in it.
Yeah.
Do they bite, yeah?
He's very old.
He's very old because of his lip, yeah?
Yeah. You can see even he's very big. He's friendly.
I mean, they're being hobbled so they can't run around.
Yeah.
How old do you have to look how big their feet are so they can walk to this?
So
how long can they go without water?
Maybe I don't maybe 1 month. I don't know how much really.
1 month.
But he can save water here.
Yes, yeah, so they got water baths. It's a big boy.
Yeah.
He's tall, yeah.
يلا
Come قاعد تخصام قاعد تخصام يا كبا شوف يا ولد
اوكي
Go, yeah. How much is this one?
كم قيمته يقول يقول له كم قيمتها هذه باي 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 مع السلامة
يا هلا.
Okay. Okay. We will see you in Riyadh, okay? امشي للأخير شوي. إلى السيارة.
Other way, look the other way.
Go.
الله مستانسين عليه الرابع.
I'm quite impressed how strong that camera is.
عبد الله ذو الختام.
قطع صوته.
يا ويتا.
قطع صوته.
مستانسين على. يقولون الحين احنا جينا السعودية بلاد العربية.
اي لازم يستانس.
على الإبل هذا.
هذا استراليين ولا امريكان هذا؟
هذا ذي بريطانيين ذي.
بريطانيا؟
اي. هذا بس اخواننا
العيال فكتوريا.
العقال اي احسنت عيال فكتوريا.
عيال فكتوريا هذا.
اي عيال فكتوريا. اي والله عيال فكتوريا.
الله يستمتع ببلاد العرب.
اي. خايف من النزول. What do you see this say about this experience about riding the camel?
Trust me, it's not every day I ride a camel. This is the best camel I've ever ridden.
Oh, that's nice. Now you feel it in Arabia, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
لا جماعة يجي.
I want it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Cool thing.
اي هذا بين النار بعدين عشان
النار؟
اي
عشان ليش تعرفون؟
اي هذا مطير فلان وهذا طلع رجل عربي.
How is it?
Fantastic.
What do you feel about that? You're
Great.
and the camel above the camel.
Just a wonderful experience.
You think you'll do it at home again?
Why not? Love to. I'll have to race one of these.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you feel, what is the difference between the horse and the camel?
You're further away from the head.
The head, huh? Yeah, very far. I see that.
Yes.
Yeah.
He understands everything we're doing. He's a very smart.
We'll take his advice, I think.
How is it?
No, he doesn't want me. Yeah, so he'll probably do me.
Yeah, he's very smart.
They know what you're thinking.
Give me your. What do you feel about riding now this camel?
It's just like riding a horse.
Yeah.
Just a little bit slower.
Slower, huh? You'll do it again, I think.
Yeah, no, we don't. They don't race. It's illegal to race camels anymore.
يا الله هذا تجربة إحساس جميل يعني تعرف بالثقافة السعودية ثقافة البلاد العربية من جميل يعني عيشة التجربة أوب And as you can see, this one in the front of you is done. It's a school. They say in Istanbul there's only 2 schools of this kind. It's like the years of they say there's one school in Egypt, another one in Alhassa.
Really?
Yeah.
From the Turkish?
Yeah, they're there. Yes, they teach Islamic, but and here. This one, this big dome is one very beautiful mosque, and they say that and you can see this mosque, this dome halted without any
support,
arms.
Yeah.
It's been only 4 walls, and beautiful. ما شاء الله الآن نحن في طريق الاكتشاف جبل قار المغارات لقي فيها من إثارة وفيها من هذا هم قاعدين يتسحبون لي مثل why you are just like a cat. How is it? Okay ندخل وراهم والله حجي بنصير زي القطاوة مثل ما يقولون أهل واو هاي ماجد شلون الجو شلون الجماعة اي بسم الله راح احس اني بطل where are they? They are disappeared. Are you sure they will come again?
you talking? That's a third then. I think it's a spatchcock.
Ah, Billy.
Hello. Salam alaikum.
عليكم السلام.
Go on, better get in.
الرجال قاعد.
I can now understand why we washed our hands.
زكي.
It's delicious. Wow.
Oh. There's a lot of fat there, but this bit on here.
Billy, what is your job here?
So I'm a racehorse trainer, and I'm out here for the Saudi Cup for tomorrow. So there's a lot of European and international horses at the event tomorrow. So yeah, this is my reason for being out in Saudi.
Okay. Okay. What is your what do you say about Alhassa in few words?
It's the whole thing. I've never been to Saudi Arabia before. I've been to I've been to Dubai, so it's just totally not what I expected. You know, I've really enjoyed our tour today around Alhassa and the rocks and the mountains and seeing everything around here. And just the whole heritage is fascinating. So I thank you very much for that.
Oh, you're welcome. And is there anything to want to say about the tour guide?
The tour guide did an excellent. The tour guide has done a fantastic job. Given us lots of information. We can now go back to the UK and spread the word.
Oh, thank you very much. I wish you come back again.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Mr. Bah,
hello sir, how are you?
From UK.
Yes, thank you so much for such a wonderful day. You've spoiled us rotten, and I've learned so much.
Thank you. What do you say about Alhassa that you see Alhassa mountain and these 4 palm trees and you know the oasis?
So I've been coming to Saudi Arabia since 1998. I've been here a number of times, and I've never been to the Eastern Province, and it's been eye-opening and wonderful people.
Oh, thank you very much. Mr. Agist?
Yes, that's right.
Agist from UK. What do you say about your visit to Alhassa, to Algara, to the spring water Sab'a, and to the forest of these palm trees? What do you say about it?
I think it's been an incredible experience. I've ridden my first camel. I've eaten with my hands for the first time a whole...
First time you eat your hand, by your hand?
Well, since I was about 5, probably. And I went to the caves, which is incredible, and just had the most amazing time. So thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. And what you want to say something about the tour guide?
Well, the tour guide's one hell of a boy, obviously. He's been exceptional, and I am basically now in much better knowledge than I was before I
Thank you very much.
So thank you. You taught me an awful lot.
Thank you. I really learned many things from you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All good, I hope.
Okay, bye-bye. Rupert from British. Yeah, what do you say about your visit here to Saudi Arabia?
It's been...
But first thing, what is your job?
My job, a travel agent.
Oh, travel agent. Oh, that's nice.
So it's
we wish to do in future some job with you.
Yeah, and it's exciting to see Saudi Arabia opening up to tourists from all around the world.
Okay.
And I highly recommend it.
Okay, what do you say about your visit to Alhassa?
It's incredible. There's so much history over many centuries, and it's great to learn more about it.
Oh, that's nice. And what do you want to say about Alhassa mountain that you visit today and in the center of Hafuf?
It's clearly something very historic and very moving to be in a place which has had so many people pass through it over the years.
Can you tell me about your eating by your hand?
That was the first time I've experienced that. It was delicious, absolutely delicious. I highly recommend it.
Oh, that's nice. There's something to want to say to the tour guide?
You've been fantastic.
Yes.
So you've been very informative, very enjoyable to be with, and really helped us understand about the area. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and I wish you come again and again, you and your friends. Anytime when you come, you have family here, you have friends here, and our heart is open for you all.
Thank you very much. I hope we'll be back soon.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
ماجد
العلي حبيبي عزيز وغالي والله.
الله يسلمك، والله انبسطنا وياك صراحة، يعني انت ويا ضيوفك.
الحقيقة
وانت عين على الراس.
والله انت اللي على الراس.
الله يسلمك.
قال احنا انبسطنا صراحه.
الله يسلمك.
ما قصرت ويانا وشرفتنا صراحه هنا في القاره وفي الحسا.
الله يسلمك.
طلعتنا وريتنا ولفينا ودرنا.
الله
ما
يعزك.
شاء الله زياره حلوه ولطيفه. والجايات ان شاء الله.
ان شاء الله باذن الله.
ان شاء الله بإذن الله.
تحب تقول يعني كلمتين كذا بمناسبه زياره عيال فكتوريا الى
عيال فكتوريا؟ اول شيء صراحه دائما قلت عيال فكتوريا جبتها صح. يعني قلتها على عيال فكتوريا. لا صراحه يعني انا هم اللي انبسطوا وشفتهم مبسوطين وصراحه جو وانصدموا منك ومن الحسا ومن تراثها ومن تاريخها والمغار. فاقول لك ما شاء الله عليك بدعت والله بدعت يعني من بدايتها لاخرتها بدعت.
الله يسلمك حبيبي.
فان شاء الله يعني شجعتنا على الجايات، شجعتنا على الجايات ان شاء الله على الحسا على القاهره.
اهم شيء عيال فكتوريا انبسطوا واستانسوا،
واهم شيء انت قاعد تدلنا طريق صح الحين.
اي لا اطلع منه يا
زين
اطلع منه
يمين.
اي اطلع زين. اي تفضل.
فاقول لك صراحه مو بس انبسطنا، الشباب يعني هم قلب الرحله صراحه. الشباب انبسطوا واحنا انبسطنا
والله ما شاء الله عليك.
ان شاء الله يعني راح نرجع صراحة.
باذن الله باذن الله.
ويعني انت وريتنا جهه من الحسا، الشباب طبعا ما قد شافوا الجهه هذه.